This is what we came out for our pipes. The red line, it indicates where we're going to be putting our cement on it. These pipes go into the sump, and my dad's going to be helping me with gluing it. I want to make sure I am safe while doing this. I don't want to get my hands stuck together. So I'm going to be safe with this and ask my dad to come out. So we cemented all of our pipes, and now we will be putting these pipes connecting in the very back to the other pipes. Make sure whenever you do this, it's tight so that the water doesn't leak out.
Where's the leak, ma'am?
Yeah, that's it. So this is the normal return. The normal return, we use it most of the time, but the higher return, which sits up here on the tank, it's not really used.
It just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. I tell you, it just doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter.
I don't want to say it doesn't matter. Of course, it does matter if it needs to be used, but it's not like you need it as much. It's not like you need it like every 5 seconds with like this one.
Oh.
We had a little issue, but then we fixed it. And with this one, this is the pump. This is the pump. The pump's already set in there. And you can, as you see, as earlier, we drilled the hole right here, and this is where the hole is. This is the return pump right here. And that's a little pump, a little one. And so you can take this off. We are gonna use this because it's gonna catch all the stuff that was in there, and you can always clean the filter socks. Like you can actually just throw them in the laundry machine and they'll clean. So it's not very hard of work.
Oh, yeah! That's what I'm talking about!
Oh, yeah, the colors! Oh, yeah! You guys want another rinse cycle? I'm buying.
This, it stops the water, and it only lets the water that's coming, what's coming up only let through. So it's kind of like a magic door, key card only.
Access denied. Access denied.
So, and the hole right here, as we said earlier, is for the refugium. The refugium's going to be over here, and it looks good. A trick that you can do if you mess up on your plumbing is you can heat it up, but not enough to like burn it.
I just burned my tongue.
You can heat it up very well and turn it. I wouldn't recommend doing it on the regular return. I recommend, if you have to, go to the store and buy another one. I wouldn't chance it to do this and mess the tank up and have a problem in your tank and lose all your coral or fish. I want to thank everybody for watching my video. If you like this video, tell your friends or subscribe or like. And I want to thank Mr. Tim and Frank at Aquaxy Life, my favorite fish store in Louisiana, for giving me a great deal on my 170-gallon Waterbox.
Where did you...